Hi guys, Zoe Page here with Laundry Lowdown. Now today is something a bit different. No photo shoot this time. Instead, we're getting an exclusive look inside the Gio Stockings factory. Let's go and see what it's all about. Let's go. Let's see if we can find Sam.
Okay, so that's just been updated then. Okay.
Hello Sam.
Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you for having us.
It's a pleasure.
Oh my goodness. You do not expect this. This is absolutely incredible.
You know, we think it's just really a pleasure to keep these machines going.
You can't make them.
No.
Nobody else has them.
No, so
Nobody can, you can't replicate this at all.
these machines ultimately will end up in museums.
I'm doing it. Oh no. Oh my God, it's going too fast. That's way too much pressure for one day.
As I say, we're only really at about stage 4 in the process. We've still got
The
steam finishing, dyeing, packing,
and that's at a
into stock.
different factory.
Different site. Yeah.
We are now at the second location. This is the dye house.
Yeah.
This is where you...
We steam the product, steam finish the product, dye the product, pack the product, and holds all our stock.
Thank you. If you wasn't here, I don't think I would get this all done. Let's go in.
So over here, in the corner, where all these metal legs are, is the steaming machine, steam boarding machine.
Yeah.
So now this is ready to be allocated out to various different colours, dye batches. At Gio, we're prided for our colour. You know, we want to be able to sell various different colour types in whatever colour, you know, is the season's fashionable statement.
So, oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So
This is like a girl, sorry, it's like a girl string being up here, isn't it? We have just wrapped up the most incredible tour around a factory. It's such a privilege, and thank you so much for Gio. Thank you so much to Sam for allowing us. Thank you to my boss for this amazing idea and just going behind the scenes and seeing how what we review is and how it's made, it's like full story. It comes together so nicely. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.